Ready for a change? These 20 short gray hairstyles will stun you. Texturized classic pixie cut. This low-maintenance choice beautifully enhances high cheekbones and sharp features, while adding immediate visual volume to thinning hair. Layered cropped bob with bangs. Ideal for balancing elongated facial shapes, this style offers a youthful softness while elegantly framing the eyes. Edgy asymmetric pixie. Perfect for confident women with rounder jawlines. This modern asymmetry draws the eye upward to create a lifting effect. Voluminous shaggy crop. Excellent for naturally wavy hair textures. This shag cut builds effortless body and movement without daily styling effort. Sleek tapered pixie. A sophisticated option that defines the neckline and offers an incredibly neat, professional look for corporate environments. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Spiky silver undercut. Best suited for thick hair, this bold style eliminates heavy bulk while projecting an energetic, youthful attitude. Curly short Afro-Pixie. Designed to embrace tight natural coils, this rounded cut offers maximum structural bounce and keeps framing minimal and clean. Soft wispy razor cut. An excellent choice for delicate fine hair, creating feather-light movement that avoids a flat look. Sharp geometric micro bob. Suited for straight hair, this architectural cut creates a clean, strong frame that emphasizes striking jawlines. Layered Pixie-Bob hybrid. The ultimate compromise, offering the fullness of a bob with the effortless styling ease of a shorter pixie. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Slicked back red carpet crop. An elegant look for special occasions that completely opens up the face to highlight statement jewelry beautifully. Choppy messy boy cut. Provides an effortlessly casual charm that works exceptionally well for thick, dense hair textures needing movement. Rounded French bowl cut. Perfect for framing delicate eyes and concealing forehead lines naturally without feeling heavy or bulky. Wispy shaved sides pixie. Creates a striking silhouette that works wonderfully for petite faces by extending the neck's visual length. Stacked inverted A-line bob. Provides an instant lift at the back of the head, making it ideal for creating structural volume in fine hair. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments. Textured Pompadour crop. Adds significant height up top to elongate round facial shapes while bringing a powerful, commanding presence. Feathered Windsor pixie. A timeless, soft option that layers beautifully backwards around the ears to maintain an elegant, classic silhouette. Wavy uniform blunt crop. Fabulous for maximizing the thickness appearance of fine waves by keeping the perimeter cut dense and solid. Ultra short silver buzz cut. The ultimate liberating statement look that requires zero styling time and highlights beautiful eyes and skin perfectly. Wispy layered Shag-Bob. Combines soft texturized movement with a chic frame, making it perfect for an effortlessly casual yet put-together daily look. Don't forget to mention your favorite hairstyle number in the comments.